Chia is a next-generation open-source blockchain based on the consensus algorithm proof of space and time. Chia offers a new interpretation of old ideas, as it implements Nakamoto's first consensus algorithm since Bitcoin was introduced in 2008. Chia Network is a Layer 1 blockchain that uses its own custom-designed programming language called Lisp and a novel consensus mechanism called proof of space and time. The combination of these two allows the blockchain to use less energy without compromising network security. In contrast to most other blockchains, its blockchain is aimed at enterprise use, which is why Chia Network plans to have XCH on its balance sheet in case of a listing. Chia Network's first proof-of-time function was released in 2019, with the first beta version of its blockchain launching in 2020. Chia Network achieved full functionality, including wallet functionality, transactions and smart contracts, with its mainnet launch in 2021. Chia Network improves upon proof of stake and proof of work by using a less electricity-intensive consensus mechanism. The company was founded in Delaware on August 1, 2017 and founded by Bram Cohen, the creator of BitTorrent. Chia Network intends to sell software services and support for its blockchain, smart transaction applications to governments, financial institutions, corporations, buyers and large storage vendors. Chia also expects to encourage the development of DeFi, DEX, cross-border payments and new end-user wallets to accelerate the development of new applications. The tools will allow developers to create applications and wallets that are much easier to use than what is currently on the market. Now, Chia is practically a startup, but in the future it will become one of the most dominant ecosystems on the crypto market. Chia integrates all the features of the BTC, updated and improved to the maximum. Bram Cohen, the CEO, stated in a recent interview that Chia is already a decentralized and highly secure blockchain. There is not enough free memory on the planet to attack the blockchain. I want to remind you that Bram created BitTorrent, a project that was a record success. At this moment I see three big problems on market. 1. The problem of decentralization in all blockchains that switch to POS, proof of staking. 2. The enormous energy consumed by BTC. 3. The impossibility of creating other projects within the BTC blockchain. Bram Cohen also mentioned that they made the CAT token, ETH holds the ERC20 token, and the possibility to create smart contracts in the Lisp language. This means that Chia will become a 2-in-1 blockchain, meaning BTC plus ETH. The CAT token maintains the principles of the blockchain and is more secure than ERC20. About the $21 million pre-farm that scares some. What I like about Chia is that they are all open and hide absolutely nothing. All intentions, all documents are published and can be accessed by anyone. The team said directly, the $21 XCH coins belong to the Chia Foundation. These coins were passed through the US SEC law. SEC, Security Exchange Commission. At least $1 XCH token, out of the 21 million, to reach the market, it needs the approval of the SEC. These 21 million are on 2 wallets and can be monitored by anyone. The idea is that the funds that contributed to the creation of this blockchain have not yet received anything in return. I want to tell you, in order to raise $65 million in the initial phase, from the most top investment funds, it seems to me an unrealistic figure. For this reason, I tend to believe that some of these pre-farm coins will be returned to these funds, and the information will be made public. This will only be done after the IPO, initial public offering. Chia is going to sell shares in the company and thus raise more money needed for ecosystem development. This IPO, are obliged to organize it no later than May 2023. Until that event, I do not expect a significant increase in price. You are probably wondering why it is worth investing in Chia if 50% of the coins belong to them. It is worth it, because the currencies of projects that raise money from people in ethos or ecos are owned by 10 to 20% of the team, 10 to 20% of advisors, 10 to 30% of funds, and all these actors they form a coalition and dictate the price of the currency as they wish. After the analysis I did on this project, I offer you some important indications in my opinion. The project is developed in a legal, transparent framework, as provided by US law. Requires low power consumption to keep the network efficient. To give you an idea, Chia needs only 0.16% of the energy that BTC currently consumes. Chia decentralization is at the highest level. There are already over 350k nodes that will ensure this decentralization, and the number will continue to grow. Chia is a secure blockchain. The combination of space plus time ensures a high security of the network and its transactions. By default, huge decentralization also provides a high level of security. Smart contracting platform for business tools and services. The GitHub is at full speed, every day new updates and implementations are made. Lisp is a new programming language and a fundamentally better way to build smart transactions than in the past. It is powerful, easy to understand and secure. The farming process will last until 2026. For those interested in earning XCH coins from the farm, Chia solves the problem of data centers because it offers to make money from equipment that is inactive and also allows us to make money from the equipment that data centers usually send for recycling. Some great names that follow Chia Network on Twitter: Catherine Hown, one of the leaders of Coinbase, partner with A16Z. Andreessen Horowitz, follows very few projects on Twitter. Chia is one of the few projects of interest she pursues. Those who have an idea of who this lady is, have realized how important and dominant this blockchain will become in the future. Fred Ehrsam, founder of Paradigm, co-founder of Coinbase. ZC Peng, the founder of the Cosmos ecosystem. Michael Arrington, the founder of Crunchbase, TechCrunch and the fun Tier 1 category that bears his name. Sam Bankman-Fried, founder of FTX and Alameda Research. Alex Skidanov, the founder of Near Protocol. This list could go on with many big names in the crypto world, especially people who have a direct connection to fundamental projects like ETH, Solana, Polkadot, Avalanche, Algorand, Cosmos. Some of the top investors: Andreessen Horowitz, IEO Collab, Slow Ventures, Metastable Capital, True Ventures. Chia capitalization is real. It represents all the money spent on the resources needed by the people who farm these coins. At the current price, a farmer needs 4 years to return on his investment. We will certainly see this project grow to a much higher level than it is now.